Brought to you by Essitel, your local telephone engineers. If you are having problems with your telephone or broadband, your telephone company may have asked you to see if your equipment works in the test socket. Today we are going to look to see how you can perform this test. This is an old style master socket or a secondary socket. You cannot perform the test on this. Only perform the test on the newer style socket with the split front plate as shown here. Again, you cannot perform the test on this style of socket. On the newer master socket with the split front plate, first remove the screws shown by the red circles. Take out the screws, then the bottom half of the front plate can be carefully removed. Behind the removable plate, there may be some wires. These connect to other sockets in your property. Be careful not to pull against these wires, as they are only pushed in and can come loose. The test socket is the socket the front plate plugged into, shown by the red ellipse. Here is where you plug in to complete your test. Plug your telephone or broadband equipment into the test socket. If you are testing your router, don't forget to plug in the broadband filter. If your telephone and router work correctly in the test socket, then the fault is in your property wiring. If your equipment doesn't work in the test socket, then it is either faulty or the incoming telephone line has a fault on it. A faulty line is the responsibility of your telephone line provider. If the fault is in your own wiring, then call Essitel and we can send an engineer round to quickly resolve the problem. If you are at all unsure about performing the test, then we can do this for you. If the fault is with your wiring or your equipment, your phone company will charge you. That would be much more expensive than Essitel. Call us on 01428 66 4488 to make an appointment.